This is a sleeper car at the Durango Roundhouse Museum. It's a free museum. And supposedly it is haunted by a woman named Kate. Pretty interesting. If you see any ghosts, let me know. This is a really cool museum. It's free if you can make your way to Durango. That must be the loo right there. I'm not even gonna open the door. There's also a caboose next door here. Kind of get an overall view of the museum from here. Here's some information about the car. Let's see, there's all kinds of stuff. There's a bunch of military displays, some nicely hand-painted soldiers. I'm trying to kill myself getting into this caboose. This is a small one, pretty tight. Back here. Yeah, it's a bunch of very nicely painted soldiers. And there's a collection of weapons. I'm gonna assume, again, this is the loo. Yeah, I always want to know where the loo is. Either they're just closets and there's no loo. Sorry for the quick pan. So I'm only in a portion of it. There's several other cars. We'll go check those out. See if I can do this without killing myself. I got a model train set up. HO, pretty elaborate. Yeah. Pretty sure this has got a lot of cool stuff for the price. Free. World War II weapons, Vietnam era weapons. I'm not sure I recognize AT-4 as after my time. This one. Civilian weapons.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna come back.
There's
We're gonna go do cheese over here first.
There's a couple of locomotives.
Yeah.
Parlor car of some sort. The General Palmer. It doesn't look like they're letting you get inside. Number 42. This appears to be a model of their railroad station. Here they got the inside of another locomotive. This boat looks very familiar to me. A friend of mine's father had one very much the same. And we used to work on the engine. I don't know that his had dual carbs. It might have. Huh. Very, very much the same. There's a mountain goat up there. Sun's coming in through this window here. Some nice lamps. Some spittoons. I have an old spittoon. I wonder what it's worth. Mine is exactly like this one. Huh. Too bad there's not some information on it. Huh. Lots of mounted animals. Airplane, if you can call it that. It's a very nice museum for free. Let's see if I can make my way into that locomotive. I was waiting for a little kid that was coughing. Doesn't really need to be picking up anything. Various controls. I've never really seen inside the oven portion. Wow. But that was a hot, dirty job. Boy, this takes me back. My dad used to hang one off of his old pickup truck for drinking water. How funny. What a memory. I'm not that old, but he did a lot of things like that. That's interesting. I don't see the wheels. They're tucked inside.
What's your favorite use?
So we've been looking at these various nails, and we can never find a 59. Is there a 59 there? There's 57, 58, and I think that's 59 right there. It's dark in here and my eyesight sucks. Huh. The date nails. But yeah, anyway, cool museum. Lots of neat stuff to see. And best yet, it's free.